Sarah, pull the car over. Stop the car, Sarah. Sarah, just stop the car. Pull over so you don't get hurt, Sarah. Just stop the car.
What in the Cougar Corvette is going on here? Y'all, it's your boy Purple Cup, man. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you hadn't. Go ahead and show some love. Look, man. I don't know what the hell this lady was thinking. She got drunk. I guess she jumped in a vehicle that was already running with the keys in it, and it was a Vette. Old school Vette, but look, man, I feel like the guy who owned this Vette put some money in it. You know what I'm saying? He put his own style to that Vette. Wide tires. It looks nice. But it takes that one person to fuck it up. Either way, remember, I don't condone any of y'all running from the laws, street racing, or doing any illegal activities. We're going to talk about it at the end. Let's go and get into the video, man.
To go 1024, that red Corvette.
Go ahead.
Be Highway 63 here at the red light at Walnut Ridge, West Adam William Robert 55 Sam.
10-4. Jonesboro C12, are you correct? Yeah, or it'll be $1019. Thank you.
Roll the windows down.
Jonesboro Troop C, 1063, proceed 48.
48, Jonesboro, it's starting to take off.
Simple.
Jonesboro, we're running the red light here, Walnut Ridge taking off. It's 1037, northbound on 63.
810. Jonesboro C4, is correct? 4 to 4 to red.
Stop the car.
C1 Jonesboro, 4 10 4. 10 4. Ridge. Okay, I'm leaving off this I'll try to keep that deal right here. They may.
Jonesboro, we're continuing northbound on 63 past 67.
10-4, northbound past 67. What's your speed and traffic?
Light traffic. Don't crash out. Pull the car over, girl. I doubt she's armed. I don't figure she is. Sarah, pull the car over. Stop the car, Sarah. Sarah,
Please, Sarah,
just stop
please.
the car.
Please, Sarah.
Pull over so you don't get hurt, Sarah. Just stop the car.
Sarah, why? Sarah, why? Fuck!
TVI, we're in the ditch. Sarah, show me your hands. Sarah! Sarah Bates, I know who you are. Show me your hands. Jonesboro have one at gunpoint. Sarah! Sarah! Shut the car off! Look at me! Sarah! Sarah Bates, look at me! Sarah! Shut the car off! 48, dispatch. 48 Jonesboro. We're going to be here on 63 near County Road 514, I believe. Sarah! Look at me! Show me your hands! Sarah! Show me your hands!
That shit was funny, but I'm still mad at you, Sarah. Still mad at you.
Sarah, open the door and step out. Sarah, get over here now. You see what I'm holding? Listen to me. Get over here. Turn around. Get down on your knees. Face down on the ground. Lay down like an airplane. Arms out to your side. That was stupid.
Ow! God damn it!
What the heck is your problem? You'd be in a lot less trouble if you just pulled over. What the heck do you think you're doing?
What do you mean?
Get up. Get up. Listen to me. Look at me. You have the right to remain silent, Sarah. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, the court will appoint you an attorney at no cost to you. If you decide to answer questions at this time, you may do so. If at any point in time during question you'd like to stop and ask for an attorney present for any further questions or ask for answers, you may do that as well. Do you understand your rights as I've read them to you, Sarah?
No.
You don't understand which part?
No.
I know that. You already said that. Which part do you not understand?
All of it?
All of it? Okay. Well, here's what I do know. You're intoxicated.
Oh my god.
Not your car. And you just ran from me at over 113 miles an hour and wouldn't pull over.
I didn't know.
You didn't know? That's why you kept looking down when I pulled up beside you?
Don't do that.
Get in the car. Sit down. Well, that was stupid. On your part. Yeah.
Next to 11.
You got anything illegal on your person? Anything you can't take into jail?
No.
All right. You're on camera. You're being recorded. Don't move.
The liquor store's still closed.
That's why she turned around and left.
Yeah.
Hope I didn't hurt it bad. Feel bad for the old boy. Oh yeah, I think we're good. Just dirty.
Yeah. Got lucky it was wet. That boy did. I mean, no doubt because it was soft.
Yeah.
Doing a detail. Man, it could have been a lot worse.
Yeah.
Oh man. Don't drink and drive, man. Just don't do it. Don't do it. And if you are gonna drink and drive, please don't steal a car. Man, I'm gonna be honest with you. You seen that trooper, man, ASP. They don't fuck around when it comes to pit maneuvers, and y'all already know. If y'all seen the other videos that I have, you know they don't play around. By the way, I'm gonna put Police Pursuit's link on the bottom underneath my description, so y'all make sure y'all check out their channel. They have wonders of fucking videos beyond. Either way, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give me a like. I appreciate that so fucking much. New subscribers, thank you. Either way, man, I don't know what Sarah was thinking. She was gone. That shit tripped me out when she said, God damn. Man, she must be in a lot of trouble, because if the police knew her by heart, Sarah, pull over. And he was trying his hardest not to fuck that Corvette up. And he did his best. I mean, he said, fuck it, I gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? She's not gonna stop. She's not listening. He did his thing. And as you can tell, the Corvette was not that fucked up. And I'm glad it really wasn't, man. I mean, the kid has his own little style. To me, the Corvette looked nice. You know, for that year model. I mean, he had that little trim on it. I mean, you seen that? It looked nice to me. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad he got it recovered. You seen he was in the seat with the pictures and all that. Either way, man, y'all don't be doing some dumb shit like this. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what Sarah was thinking. And y'all don't do the same shit either. Y'all don't make these types of mistakes, man. I mean, there's motherfuckers that work hard. And like I said, that was a young kid. A young ass kid. And for someone to take their shit and destroy it or go on a pursuit because they so fucked up and they don't know what the fuck is going on. And I believe they did find narcotics on her. I'll put the description underneath as well of the video. Either way, man, y'all stay safe out there. Much love. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I catch y'all on the next one, man. That shit was pretty intense and funny at the same time, but sad for that little young kid. But I'm glad he got his fucking car back. See y'all, man.